Hi guys, welcome back to Lali Bali. In this video we will travel to one of the historical tourist objects in the Karangasem area, to be precise at Taman Ujung Karangasem. Taman Ujung Karangasem is located in Banjar Ujung, Tumbu Village, Karangasem Regency, Bali. It is located quite far from the tourist attractions of Kuta, Bali. If you use a car, it will take about 2 hours of travel. It is quite far. When we arrive at this tourist location, we will immediately be greeted by the stunning architecture of the building, where at the front of this tourist attraction we will be welcomed by traders who sell souvenirs in the form of clothes or handicrafts from local residents. Before entering tourist attractions, don't forget to comply with the health protocol by washing hands and wearing masks. Then we are required to buy an entrance ticket of 25,000 rupiah for domestic tourists, while for international tourists it is 50,000 rupiah. Before entering the tourist attractions we will pass a long concrete bridge connecting the parking area and the palace area. When we arrive at the tourist area, our eyes will immediately fall on a unique building, where this building is the resting palace of the King of Karangasem, which is above the pond. In Ujung Karangasem Park there are 3 large pools in one place, only the location of the pool in fragments. 1 pool is in the south and 2 pools are in the north. The pond in the north is larger than the pond in the south. This time we will go to the top of this attraction, where from above we can see the amazing view of this attraction. We can see the view of the sea, hills and also the beautiful view of this attraction. Now we are heading to one of the most famous places in this tourist attraction, namely the pillar building without a roof. Now from the top of this pillar building without a roof, you will see the special view offered by the Taman Ujung Karangasem tourist spot. In the southeast, you will see the blue sea and Ujung beach. In the east, by looking down, the charm and uniqueness of the Taman Ujung Karangasem architecture will be seen. In addition, in the upper east, you will see a green hill, named Bisbis Hill. This time we will go to the palace building for the King of Karangasem. This building adopts Balinese, European, and Chinese styles. Because it was built by a Dutch architecture, named Van den Hens, and a Chinese architecture, named Loto Ang, it was also assisted by Balinese architecture from the Karangasem Kingdom. Inside this palace building there are various kinds of historical photos from the era of the Karangasem Kingdom. You can see firsthand how the situation was during the royal era. Well everyone, we hope you enjoy our trip today. Please stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, stay safe and healthy, and bye for now. Peace.